In today's fast evolving automotive world, the term ADAS, short for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, has become one of the most exciting and talked about technologies. These systems are like the brain and eyes of modern vehicles, designed to assist the driver and make driving safer, more comfortable, and more intelligent. From lane keeping to automatic braking, ADAS acts as a helping hand that reduces accidents and human errors. But what makes ADAS truly fascinating is how it has evolved in stages, leading us step by step towards full self driving cars. In this video, let's take a deep dive into the six levels of ADAS, from level 0, where everything is manual, to level 5, where cars drive themselves entirely without human involvement. At level 0, the car offers no automation at all. The driver is completely responsible for controlling the vehicle, handling the steering, braking, acceleration, and every single maneuver. However, even at this stage, basic safety features like collision warnings, blind spot alerts, or lane departure signals may be present. These systems don't take control of the vehicle, instead, they simply alert the driver when something goes wrong. Think it like a helpful friend sitting beside you, warning you when you are too close to another car or drifting off your lane, but still leaving all the action to you. In level 0, you entirely in charge and the system just provides warning to help you stay alert. Moving to level 1, we enter the first step of automation, often known as driver assistance. Here the car begins to take a small share of control, but only one area at a time, either steering or acceleration and braking. This means the vehicle can help you maintain a safe distance from the car in front through adaptive cruise control or help you stay centered in your lane through lane keeping assist. However, the driver must keep full attention on the road and be ready to intervene instantly if something unexpected happens. In short, the car assists you, but the responsibility and control still remain with you. At level 2, automation becomes more noticeable and advanced. This stage is called partial automation, where the car can manage both steering and acceleration or braking together under certain conditions, such as on highways or during traffic jams. Systems like Tesla's Autopilot, Ford's Blue Cruise, and GM's Super Cruise belong to this category. These vehicles can automatically steer within the lane, adjust speed, and maintain safe distances, making long drives less tiring. However, the driver needs to keep hands ready on the wheel and eyes on the road because the system can fail in unexpected situations like poor weather, unclear lane markings, or complex traffic. So it feels like the car is driving itself, but you are still the co pilot who is always ready to take over. Level 3, known as conditional automation, marks a big leap forward in intelligence. At this stage, the car can perform most driving tasks by itself under specific conditions, such as maintaining speed, changing lanes, and managing traffic. The driver does not have to monitor the road constantly but must be available to take control when the system requests. For example, Audi's A8 traffic jam pilot can handle stop and go driving on highways without driver intervention, allowing the person to momentarily relax and even check their phone. However, if the system detects a complex scenario like construction zones or poor visibility, it immediately alerts the driver to take over. This level offers comfort and convenience but still depends on human readiness. At level 4, we step into the world of eye automation, where the car can drive entirely on its own within specific areas or conditions. These could be well mapped urban zones, highways, or designated test routes. In this level, the driver does not need to intervene at all while the car is operating in its designated area. Imagine being able to read a book, watch a movie, or even take a nap while your car smoothly navigates through traffic. Robotaxis developed by companies like Waymo, Cruise, and Baidu Apollo are good examples of level 4 vehicles. However, their independence is still limited. They can't handle every road or weather condition and outside their known regions. Human control is still required. Level 4 gives us a clear glimpse of what the future will look like. Cars that truly drive themselves at least part of the time. Finally, level 5 represents the ultimate goal, full automation, where human involvement is no longer required at all. These vehicles can operate in any environment, under any weather, and without any driver input. There is no need for a steering wheel, accelerator, or brake pads because the vehicle handles every aspect of driving on its own. You could enter a level 5 car, set your destination, and simply relax or even sleep while it takes you there safely. Though this level of automation is still under research and testing, it represents the dream of the automotive industry, a future where mobility is effortless, safe, and completely autonomous. In conclusion, the journey from level 0 to level 5 shows how far technology has come in transforming the driving experience. Each level of ADAS is not just about adding new features, it's about creating a world where cars and humans work together to reduce accidents, improve traffic flow, and make driving smarter. From giving simple alerts to taking full control, ADAS continues to evolve as the backbone of modern mobility. As we move forward, we are not just making cars more advanced, we are building a safer future for everyone on the road. Well, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section.